Hey everybody, how's it going? In this video I want to talk about my pencils, the Blackwing 602. They're great for sketching. I know I use the blue Kohl Erase a lot, but today I'm going to do a sketch of something that you might find interesting. Anyway, yeah, these are half the pressure, twice the speed they say on it, but they're really soft and they have this really cool eraser on them too. You can pull this off here like that, and this eraser is adjustable. You can go like this and move it around. And what I do is, like, when it gets low, I take it, put it back in here. Let me get this thing right. And then I kind of bite it, you know, around this part right here, you know, so it crimps it. So when the eraser is short, it comes out, you know, it holds it. Anyway, I'm going to do a sketch here, and then I'm going to tell you about something my sons are doing too. All right. Well, here I am. I've got it sped up about 3 times, but I'm using the 602, the Blackwing 602 pencil. They work really great. They're really smooth, and they're soft, and they just, you know, actually, Chuck Jones used these pencils too. The animator Chuck Jones, the guy did the Roadrunner and all those stuff. But yeah, the reason I'm doing a sunflower, I was inspired to do that, is because my son Kaliki and my son-in-law Brett, they put out a video. They have that Desert Dwelling channel, which is really cool, and it's new. I would love to have you go there, support them, make a comment, leave a like or whatever. But so yeah, they were harvesting they were taking their sunflowers, and they were, you know, taking some of the seeds so they could plant them for next year. But also they took the sunflower itself and they cooked it. And so they're eating the seeds, the cooked seeds. But anyway, check it out. There's a link in the description.